So guys,
79 calories.
guys, actually, my stomach really hurts in this area. Actually, it is normal.
Pace, 15 minutes 37 seconds per kilometer.
Actually, during training is
Average pace, 13 minutes 24 seconds per kilometer.
during my training on this trail run are the ones where I suffer the most. I get injured, but thankfully I never get injured. It is where I feel my feet really sore, my stomach really hurts many times. But during
82 calories. Pace, 15 minutes 7 seconds per kilometer.
during a race day, my only problem is my the pooping, to avoid poop. Every runner, before it starts, they pray that they should never poop, and as well as urinating also, because it is time consuming. Even 30 seconds is you have run how many meters in that matter of
Pace,
seconds.
14 minutes 56 seconds per kilometer.
So my only problem is pooping, urinating, and nutrition. Those are the problem that I'm encountering.
85 calories. Average pace, 13 minutes 30 seconds per kilometer.
But actually, when I tried 50 kilometers, it's my first time and my only first time to join 50 kilometers. That is the only
Pace,
day.
13 minutes 34 seconds per kilometer.
That's the only day that my mental mind, my all of my body really hurts. My mental mind keeps on saying, I quit, but thankfully I ended up third place. It really hurts. That I think, but it is far more comparing my training to my first 50 kilometers or ultra marathon.
89 calories. Pace, 14 minutes 19 seconds per kilometer.
For me, it is harder for me the training, because I train lonely. Because if you are lonely, you really have a mental. You train yourself of a mental, because you are not. You don't have any company. You're not racing with someone, so it is in you. In
Average
how
pace,
you.
13 minutes 38 seconds per kilometer.
It is in you how you push yourself to train more to longer distance. As the day goes by that
Pace,
you train,
16 minutes 2 seconds per kilometer.
So I think that's the most challenging part, because during the event where I joined the 50 kilometers all ultra marathon, I feel relaxed because
92 calories.
I'm ready racing with someone, and I know that I'm placing at least fourth or third. I'm fighting in that position. That's why it's the only challenge is my
Pace,
mental health.
16 minutes 4 seconds per kilometer.
I mean my mental mind, and of course my body physically, especially my knees and my back, because that's where I realized that the pain of the knee, it will as you don't rest, as you just run and it will comes up slowly onto your body, up until into your lower back, into your back, on your chest, on your shoulder.
96
Like that.
calories. Pace 17 minutes 47 seconds per kilometer. Average pace 13 minutes 48 seconds per kilometer.
Oh, no one here. Oh, no one is here. It's a resting place. So I'll update you later on, guys, because
Pace 17 minutes 5 seconds per kilometer.
the pain of my stomach is disappearing already. So I think I need to jog for me to able to cover more distance.
99 calories.
I'll update you again later on, guys.